For those of us seeking a job, here is a 30-second resume test. Make your resume scannable in 30 seconds or less. Yes, 30 seconds or less. That's not a lot of time. Many times when I look at people's resume, they have a lot of content there, but it's really hard to read through. And we need 5, 10, 15 minutes to really grasp the resume and their experience. But it's important to look behind the scenes of how resumes are read. When I was working at Facebook, I saw recruiters scanning the resume in 10, 15, 20 seconds to decide whether to move forward or not. Even when I was doing an on-site interview with a candidate, I would print the resume from my desktop, walk to the printer, and on the way from the printer to the meeting room, I was scanning the resume at the same time, also trying to find the room. And I was spending maybe 20, 30 seconds to focus on the resume. And I was not alone. I saw a lot of people walking around from printers to the meeting rooms, just scanning the resume that way. So you want to make your resume scannable in 20, 30 seconds. You can do this by having a good layout, having some crisp bullet points, not long paragraphs. In bullet points, things should not wrap around the margin, just short, crisp bullet points. You can use bold letters to highlight some important points in the resume. And these bold letters are the one that will really help scan the resume easily. And the third point is to focus on the impacts and goals of your project, not just on the efforts you have put into the project. With these simple strategies and tactics, hopefully your resume will be scannable quickly and people can get the most out of a few moments they spend scanning your resume.